agents getting into the business, get a good mentor, learn things the right way, take care of your reputation. Yeah, there's a couple of charlatans in our industry who make money, but there's not that many of them. And you can make a good living doing it the right way, being honorable, having agent relationships. You don't have to, don't learn from the scorched earth policy people.
Yeah.
And then obviously, like, look, it's a listing business.
Yeah.
If you're on the listing side, you're going to make a good living and things are going to go well. It's very hard to do it as a buyer's agent. Even in the market right now, right? You'd say, okay, if you have a good buyer, you're in a better position, but like, good luck finding the inventory.
Yeah. You're one of 10 if you find something decent. Yeah.
Yeah, and to like established agents, you should work somewhere that you like, with people that you respect, colleagues that you want to be around. The idea of, I'm at my company because they give me a really good deal, or I'm at my company because they leave me alone. Neither of those is a good reason to work somewhere.
Agreed 100%.
To me, when someone's like, "Oh, well, I have an amazing deal," like,
Like,
I,
yeah.
I would almost borderline say that that's stupid.
Right.
Um,
How
that
many
doesn't make
more
any
deals?
sense.
How many more things can you get done if you were in a good work culture where you like people, communicate with people, see people? People don't get the value of that, and in a relationship business, that can add tremendous revenue
Yeah.
and value.
And they leave me alone. They shouldn't be leaving you alone. They should be actively involved in your business. I know who's doing deals in my office. Like, I have an agent who's doing a deal. I called the agent on the other side, who's a friend of mine, to congratulate her. You want somebody who's passionate, whether owners, management, into it, aware. And I do think that, as a generalization, this is going to be a much easier time for boutiques. Less overhead, more specialized, especially in luxury. But with that being said, there are different companies for different agents, and hopefully there's a one that works for each person.